Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create Canva presentations. In this video we will demonstrate all the steps needed to create professional presentations using Canva. And we will also show you how to create a Canva account, how to find a suitable template for your presentation, and how to download your presentation for free. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. To use Canva for creating a presentation, you first need an account on it. If you already have an account, use this login button on the top right corner, or you can either use this sign up button on the top right corner, or else use this sign up for free button. A pop-up window will open, and here you can create your Canva account using your Google or Facebook account, or your email address. Here we are continuing with the email option. Now here enter your email address and then click on the continue button. On the next page, here enter your full name and then here create a password. And finally click on the create account button. A code will be sent to your email address. Enter it here. Now you will be asked what will you be using Canva for. You can select between small business, student, large company, teacher, personal, and lastly, non-profit or charity. Here we are continuing with the personal option. Now in the next step, you will be asked to upgrade to Canva Pro. Here are some highlights of what you will get in Canva Pro. If you want to upgrade your membership plan, then you can use this upgrade button or else click on the maybe later button. Now in the last step, you will be asked what kind of things would you like to design. The options you have are presentation, Instagram post, video, service website, business card, edit photo, resume, poster, A4 document, and logo. You need to select at least 3 of these options and then click on the Let's Go button. And voila, your account has been successfully created. You will then be redirected to your dashboard. Now let's move on to creating our presentation. On the Canva homepage, if you click on any of these 2 presentation buttons, you will be taken directly to the editor page. But you will not be able to select a presentation's category. So we are not going ahead in this way. Instead, on the top navigation bar, hover your cursor on the Design Spotlight menu and then click on Presentations. With the help of Canva, you can design, collaborate, and share outstanding presentations that engage and inspire audiences wherever they are, present live or record ahead of time from any device. Scroll down and you will see the presentation categories. First is business presentation, with which you can set yourself apart with professional, impactful templates for any business goal. Next is talking presentation, in which you can create a pre-recorded presentation that can be shared endlessly. Next is mobile first presentation, in which you can seize every opportunity with your pitch always in your pocket. Then there is the brainstorm presentation, in which you can engage your team's creativity with fun and visually inspiring brainstorms. Then is the game presentation. In this, you can play games with your friends, quiz your students, or run virtual team building activities. And lastly, there's the education presentation, in which you can take your classes from boring to brilliant with interactive learning templates. You can continue with any of these categories. Here we are continuing with the business presentation. This is the page for business presentation templates. And on this page, there are more than 3,000 templates that you can use for making your presentation. Almost all of them are free, but some are marked with a crown which are paid that you can use only if you have the Pro membership. From the left side bar, you can use these filters to easily find your desired template. You can filter according to category, style, theme, price, and color. If you hover your cursor on any of these templates, you will see the number of slides and the preview. You can scroll down the page to find a suitable template according to your requirements, and once you find one, click on it. Here we are going ahead with this free template. A pop-up window will open, and from here you can view all the pages of the template. And if you have decided to go ahead with this template, then click on the Customize this template button. This is the editor page for your template. Let's first give a name to the presentation. Click on the name of the template at the top center of the page and rename it. Under the Templates tab in the left sidebar, you will see all the pages of this template. One of the key advantages of making presentations with Canva is that you can either use all the pages of the template or use just a single page from it. You can also add pages from other templates or add your own page in a single presentation. If you want to add all the pages of this template, click on the Apply All Pages button, or else hover your cursor on the desired page and then click on it. It will be added to the presentation. To add a new page, click on this page icon and a blank page will be added. You can replace this blank page with the page from a different template. Click on the backward icon in the Templates tab and click on your desired templates. All the pages of that template will be shown. Click on your desired page and it will be added to your presentation. To add a new page, you can follow the same steps. If you hover your cursor on any page of this presentation, 3 dots will appear. Click on it. And from here you can duplicate this page, and from here you can delete it. You can customize all the elements of this page. If you click on the page, then from the top left side you can change its color. If you double click on any text, then you can type your own text. And after adding your text, you can use the toolbar at the top of the page to change its font, size, color, alignment, and from here you can also add effects to the text. To remove an element on the page, click on it and then use the delete icon to delete it. If you click on any image on the page, use this Edit Image button to apply effects like brightness, contrast, saturation, and filters. You can also scale any element on the page by dragging it from the corners. And you can also move it to any place on the page. You can also add your own texts. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar and use this Add a Text Box button to add your text, or else you can use the below text presets. Click on your desired preset and it will be added to the page. Double-click on it to edit the text. Now click on the Elements tab, and from here you can add lines and shapes, graphics, tables, photos, and much more. And once you're done with creating all the pages of your presentation, then click on the Share button on the top right corner, and then click on the Download button. Then select the file type as PDF Standard, and make sure that all the pages are selected. And then finally, click on the Download button. Your presentation will start downloading. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create Canva presentations. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.